So when Adrianne was working as a traveling nurse, her second stop was to Columbia, South Carolina, and she was so excited for this new adventure. Oh, and this new roommate. New roommate? A male roommate. Oh, But don't worry, they were just friends. Look at you now, okay? I clearly had to fly over to Columbia and investigate the situation. Adrianne, today you will become my wife. I have thought about this day for a long time. When I followed you to South Carolina, I knew you were the one I was looking for. That leap of faith was the best decision of my life.
You became my best friend, the person I wanted to talk to about everything. From South Carolina and having our own world, date nights every day, pulling the mattress into the living room, French toast breakfast mornings, to moving back home and basically starting from scratch. Living separated was so hard, but made me realize that I truly loved you.
You mean the world to me. Today will be the start of our forever. During this journey, I promise to always be there for you.
As time has passed, Kevin and I no longer shoot fireworks, hang out by the bar to put out the vibe, pull invisible ropes across the street, and hide pretend bottles of wine from our parents. Instead, we drink coffee, we spend countless nights with our wives, and praise the achievements of our furry children. But at the end of the day, I realize that Kevin and I are no longer friends, but brothers. As Kevin and I grow older, and I see how Kevin and Adrianne's friendship is, I realize that although I am Kevin's brother, Adrianne is Kevin's best friend, and she replaces the shoes that I once filled when we were kids.
You look beautiful. You look great.
It's snowing.
What an amazing day. We had snow. We weren't supposed to have snow. Well, actually, we were supposed to have snow, but idealistically, like a year ago when this thing was planned, Adrianne wanted a December wedding. Kevin wanted a spring wedding. Kevin wins. Adrianne wins. So we went up to Eden Park and took pictures, and it was incredible. It was absolutely amazing.
I, Kevin, take you and Adrianne to be my wife.
I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad,
I promise to be faithful to you in good times and bad,
in sickness and in health,
In sickness and in health.
to love you and to honor you all the days of my life.
To love you and to honor you all of the days of my life.
At an early age, instead of using a rocker like most babies do, I believe Kevin was put in a gaming chair. I've never heard of Xbox controllers being broke themselves, but if you'd ask him what happened to them, he would give you a shoulder shrug, and I finally came to realize that when he made that gesture, it was time to go to the store. On a serious note, we had a great time growing up together. We became very close, and I've never met a person with a heart as big as Kevin. Kevin has helped me grow as a person, and I'm sure many others. He has all the qualities of a man, and I'm proud to be able to call you my brother.
It is indeed my honor and pleasure to introduce to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Kevin and Adrianne Butte.
Bowdy.
Bout.
Bowdy.
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 I feel like new sunglasses
but as the torch has been passed on, your job is to make sure that when Kevin has some terribly stupid idea, you have to tell him how dumb it is. And sometimes, just for fun, let him follow through with that said idea. Trust me, if you stand back and watch, Kevin will create a lifetime of laughter for you.
Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new. Like a young John Cusack, like making big mistakes. I feel like for the first time in a long time, I am not afraid. I feel like a kid. Never thought it'd feel like this. Like when I close my eyes and don't even care. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new.
And as I sat across from Kevin, looking at him through the steam of his Kung Pao chicken, trying to figure out his personality and just what the heck he was doing with Adrianne in South Carolina, I quickly realized that he was 100% everything that I had ever hoped for from my best friend. This just a friend roommate turned boyfriend and now husband made her confident, giddy, sassy, and so full of joy.
Brand new.